I'm Ernest Yeap and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a quick, simple and easy recipe, which would be the Cempedak Cake recipe. This is my favorite to eat when you have tea time. It's like a cup of coffee or tea. So I'm gonna put down this ukulele and let's get started on the recipe. First, we're going to sift the flour. Sifting the flour with the baking powder, baking soda and salt so that it's evenly separated. And to stir it so it's evenly spread. Now we're going to cream the butter and sugar together. You can use salted or unsalted. I would use salted, more flavor. Goes in the butter, then sugar, granulated sugar or caster sugar. First you need to preheat your oven 180 degrees Celsius. Then we're going to mix it. Give it a stir. Make sure to use soft salted butter, and it will look like this. This is to incorporate all the air inside, so to make it fluffy and light cake. Then we're going to add the egg one by one. Looks like this. So we're going to give it a stir again. Then we're going to add the milk and vanilla extract. Now we're going to incorporate the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, little by little. When the consistency becomes like this, so it's time to add the cempedak, which should be this. We're going to fold in the smell. Can't wait to eat. Makes my mouth water. So this is the end result. We're going to transfer it to the baking tray. So here's the finished product. Now we're going to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes or 1 hour, depending on your oven and depending on your size also. If you use a shorter one and very large surface area one, you reduce your time as this cook faster. So let's go. I'm gonna try it now. Looks so tempting. See, it's so fluffy. And wow, the smell is heavenly. Let's taste the best part, which is the side. The tanginess of the cempedak just makes it very umami. My god, I can't stop eating. I'm addicted. You can taste the pieces of, I'm sorry. You can taste the every pieces of the cempedak. It just makes it, I'm gonna have it with my coffee. Best combination, cempedak with coffee. Hope you guys try it out. The best. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you guys try out this quick, simple, easy recipe which you guys would have during your tea time. And don't forget to subscribe and see all my previous videos here and subscribe here. Thank you, everyone. Bye.